How to remove all-day events on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Calendar application on your phone. The Calendar app allows users to manage events, appointments, and meetings. It offers various views like day, week, month, and list, and supports multiple calendars for organization. Once you're here, tap on the date you want to delete the event from. You can view all the events set for that day on your calendar over here. If you want to delete an event from here, then tap on that event. On this page, tap on Delete Event at the bottom. Tap on Delete Event again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this event. You can repeat this to delete other events from your calendar as well. Following these steps, you can easily remove all-day events on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.